Let's learn how you can change your name on RedNote application. So we already made similar tutorials, but today I will show you various things you can try to change name. So when we open our application, you will have to go on your profile by clicking on this me icon. And first thing you can change is to go to your edit profile option and just click on name. There you will change your name or nickname as RedNote app says. Now what you can do else is to go to your profile again and just click on this gear icon that will lead you to settings, and then click on account security. As you can see here, you can set real name verification if you want to use your real name. Then you can link some applications. For example, I linked my Apple account, and as you can see that my name transferred from Apple account to RedNote account. So if you link some account that you have different name from your real name, it should be linked to the RedNote. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.